Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this Toyota Century in 1/43 scale from KYOSHO. So, as you can see, my spinning thing isn't working right now, so I'll just move the box like this. There's not much detail on the box anyway, and this is my first KYOSHO model, so I'm very excited. And this 1/43 scale, so it's the same size as my police car that I ordered, that I unboxed and reviewed a long time ago, like a few years ago. So they're kind of the same size. So anyway, you can see this car better because it's 1/43 scale and it's not 1/18 scale, which is the size of this Jaguar here. It can't even fit in the camera. It's so big. Especially this Jaguar is a long car. And if I got the Toyota Century in 1/18, it wouldn't fit in the camera. So let's unbox this. And this is like a purplish color, but the product description said it was red. It was like reddish black, but it looks purple to me. It probably looks just black on the camera. So, but we're going to unbox this, if I can open it. It's so difficult to open. I specifically told the sellers that I wanted it very protected, so I guess this, oh, it opened. So, it's opening here. Now I have to get it out. As you can see, it has a display case with it. You don't need to order an additional display case. Here, and it's taped here, very good. So it doesn't slide out or anything. Well, it's screwed here, like this. We have to unscrew this. This one came with one too, a display case. But I have to look for that. I think I lost it somewhere. But anyways, here we have our screwdriver. Before we do that, I'm gonna try and take off this tape. Let me pause the video so that I can do that. Alright everyone, I got the tape off, and one's a little bit stuck to the glove. It's in my glove here. And one is stuck to the box, too, if you can see it. So, I'm gonna take it off. Hopefully I don't scratch anything. So here it is, you can see it a little better. Now, see, even in the camera it looks a bit purple. I'm so glad there are no scratches or anything on it, because I'd be quite disappointed if that was the case. So, here's the interior. So, I'm going to try to unscrew it now. Okay. It is now unscrewed. Here it is. So I think something is stuck here. Let me try and take it off. I don't think. Do you guys know what this thing is right here? Well, anyways, here it is. Let me compare it to the police car. They're about the same size. So, here. Well, there it is. Okay, well, this is just the unboxing video. There'll be a review soon as usual. So, okay, subscribe, bye.